Hello, I'm Rachel Jones for the Finance News Network. Joining me today from Berlin is Immutep's CEO, Marc Voigt. Marc, welcome back.
Hello, great to meet you again.
Now, Immutep is developing novel immunotherapy treatments for cancer and autoimmune disease. Can you tell us more about this?
Yeah, indeed, Immutep is the worldwide leader when it comes to a very important immune checkpoint, which is LAG3 or lymphocyte activation gene 3. And we have the strongest footprint as a biotech company.
And now to your financial year 2018 results. What were the highlights? Starting with the operations.
We presented data in May 2018, for instance, data from TACTI-mel, our trial in metastatic melanoma, where we test a combination of Keytruda plus eftilagimod alpha. And we believe that this data, even though it was interim data, so not yet final, was quite exciting. And also we made another important business development transaction. So we signed a clinical trial collaboration and supply agreement with Merck, US Merck, I should say. And of course, this is then the basis for a new clinical trial, which will start second half of this year.
And how about your financials?
For a biotech company, the financials are very often less exciting than in other industries. But I think it's remarkable that we were able to have above 7 million Australian dollars in revenues and other income. So we collected milestone payments from our partner Novartis as well as from Eddingpharm. I think the operational expenses and G&A has been in line with our expectations. So I think it's quite good, and we are on a robust cash fundament. So we have more than 23 million Australian dollars cash on bank, which puts us in a very solid financial position.
Thanks, Marc. And can you bring us up to date with some of your product candidates, starting with APAC?
APAC is our biggest clinical trial, 226 patients in a double-blind, randomized, placebo-controlled setting in metastatic breast cancer. The combination of eftilagimod plus standard of care paclitaxel. This clinical trial has reached its midpoint in terms of recruitment in June, and we expect first results already in the next year.
And what can you tell me about the TACTI-002?
This is another exciting clinical trial, which we do in collaboration with Merck. So Keytruda plus eftilagimod, so an so-called IO combination study. And there we will test in first-line non-small cell lung cancer, second-line non-small cell lung cancer, as well as in second-line head and neck cancer, combination of the two mentioned products or product candidates. And we expect this clinical trial to start likely in the fourth quarter this year. One other important point in terms of TACTI-002 is that we will be clinically active in the United States. So we successfully applied for the IND, which was granted in July. That's great, and provides us with a better opportunity to be clinically visible in the United States.
And can you also talk to me about TACTI-mel?
TACTI-mel, our clinical trial in metastatic melanoma in Australia. We fully recruited that clinical trial, so all 24 patients have been recruited. We presented very encouraging interim results end of May. And we will provide data update in fourth quarter this year as well. And of course, TACTI-mel was the basis for the collaboration with Merck. So in general, it's a very exciting phase 1 clinical trial.
Thanks, Marc. And just finally, is there anything that we haven't covered?
Just in general, as a short outlook, we will have a very data-heavy year 2019, and as well as the remainder of 2018. We should also not forget about our preclinical agonist antibody, which we position in autoimmune diseases, also a very exciting program, I believe. And in general, there will be a number of important updates and hopefully events. So we are very much looking forward to the future development of eftilagimod, but also from our partners. So GSK provided an update in July. Novartis is in clinical development, so there will be a lot of talking points in the near and midterm.
Marc Voigt, thanks for the update and congratulations with your progress.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure.